Hello guys, welcome to my channel Dream Creations. My name is Nishal Bhagwat. In this channel you can see the videos based on two topics. One is the editing, the next one is the biking. As I said the biking, this video is all about the 6 hidden features of the KTM motorbikes. Now let's start the video. The first hidden feature is the automatic headlight. Yes, if you travel in a 5 km per hour speed, then the headlight turns automatically on. The second hidden feature is all about the stand. Yes, if you have not lifted up the stand, then the bike will not start. Yes, this is one of the most important feature which is provided by the KTM bikes. The third hidden feature is all about the crash. Yes, if the bike is about to crash, if the bike leans for some extreme angle like this, then the bike shuts automatically. And the next hidden feature is all about the speedometer. Yes, you can convert kilometer per hour speed to the miles per hour speed. How to do that? Press the mode key until the odometer comes. After that, press the mode button for 5 to 10 seconds. And now you can see it has changed to the miles per hour speed. The fifth hidden feature is all about the caution mark. Yes, don't think that the caution mark will appear if only there is no fuel or the side stand is down. Even this caution mark will appear if there is any electrical problems like damaged wire, fuse, etc. And also you must know that the KTM bikes are fully censored bike. And the last hidden feature, you can turn off the ABS. Yes, there is a hidden button below the set button. If you press that button for 20 seconds, then you can turn off the ABS. That's all guys, these are the 6 hidden features of the KTM motorbikes. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you don't like the video, hit the dislike button. But make sure to subscribe.